Cob, the world's oldest building material. And cob is not cob without clay. All cob walls are constructed off a stone plinth. The base of the cob must be kept away from ground level, which prevents the likelihood of saturation. The search for more clayey soil continues. The largest stones are discarded. Stones that are too big will create weak points in the cob wall. Barley straw, stronger than hay, less brittle than wheat straw. The plinth, using stone from the original wall, is nearing completion. As the clayey soil is now stockpiled, ready to be used. The finished stone plinth, built with natural lime and sand mortar, awaits the first batch of cob. A bed of straw is teased onto the mixing area, and the machine tracks compact the soil and straw together as it travels back and forth. This process is repeated several times. Then the mixture is folded. Folding the cob will ensure the straw isn't broken down. The now mixed cob is stockpiled, ready to be transported to the wall. Wheelbarrows are loaded up with cob and taken to the scaffold, tipped onto the working platform until the scaffold is full. Day one, and the cob is forked onto the wall in clumps. Each clump is laid slightly over the previous one along the entire length. Trampling the cob now begins in earnest. Using one's heels to compact it down allows uniform distribution of pressure, whilst ensuring cohesion to the previous clumped cob. A good height has been achieved so far. Time for a cup of tea. A couple more layers are trampled onto the wall. Until the wall is wrapped up for the night. Even the dog is ready to go home. Day two. More cob arrives and more trampling ensues. Many feet make light work. A visual inspection to make sure the top layer of cob has no hollows, as day one's lift is plain to see. Excess cob is pared off using an adze. The forking of clumps is ongoing as the wall gets higher. The paring continues, but not for long. Rain stops play, and it's relentless. Eventually the rain stops, and as the wall nears its required height, it's all hands on deck. Timber A-frames are introduced to accommodate the roof and are filled with cob. With conventional, breathable roofing felt now in place, the closed boarding secured, pointing of the stone plinth commences. The wall is now weatherproof and finished.